Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, October 20th, 2022 on our channel. BrightDrop introduces new temperature-controlled eCart. CSafe introducing of advanced reusable pallet shipper. Renault Trucks now assembles and distributes e-cargo bikes with Kleuster. Moontech was represented at 3 exhibitions in Indonesia, Peru and Russia. Clivet begins construction of a new factory. Carrier AquaEdge 19DV chiller line expands to 1,150 tons. So, first news today. BrightDrop introduces new temperature-controlled e-cart. BrightDrop is expanding its business and product portfolio with the launch of a new temperature-controlled e-cart that helps streamline order fulfillment and pickup for online grocery purchases. Online grocery is a rapidly expanding market that's expected to reach billion by 2025. Kroger, America's largest grocer, is slated to be the first customer to introduce the BrightDrop Trace grocery into its e-commerce operations, beginning this year. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. CSafe introducing of advanced reusable pallet shipper. CSafe, the largest provider of a complete range of active and passive temperature-controlled shipping solutions for the pharmaceutical industry, announced the launch of its new advanced reusable pallet shipper, CSafe Apps. The new CSafe Apps was engineered to provide reliable and customizable thermal protection at ambient, refrigerated and frozen temperatures. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Renault Trucks now assembles and distributes e-cargo bikes with Kleuster. Driven by the same mission to decarbonize professional mobility, Renault Trucks, part of the Volvo Group, has joined forces with Kleuster, a Lyon-based electric cargo bike manufacturer, to accelerate the production and distribution of the Frigone's e-cargo bikes. These cargo bikes will be assembled at the heart of Renault Trucks' Vénissieux industrial site and distributed through the manufacturer's European network. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Moontech was represented at 3 exhibitions in Indonesia, Peru and Russia. Refrigeration and HVAC Indonesia 2022, Expo Alimentaria 2022, and Seafood Expo Russia 2022 were successfully held in Jakarta, Lima, and St. Petersburg from September 21 to September 23. These 3 exhibitions focus on the refrigeration industry, the food industry, and the high-quality development of the fishing industry, respectively, and are important annual events in each market region. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Clivet begins construction of a new factory. The ceremony for a new Clivet factory, which will occupy an area of 30,000 square meters and will be used for the production of heat pumps for the residential sector, was held in Feltre on 14th October when the first brick was laid. Care for the environment, all-round comfort and energy efficiency have always been the keys to the success of the Italian company, which is recognized as a benchmark in the air conditioning industry. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Carrier AquaEdge 19DV chiller line expands to 1,150 tons. Carrier announced that it has expanded its award-winning AquaEdge 19DV water-cooled centrifugal chiller capacity range in North America. With capacity now up to 1,150 tons, the AquaEdge 19DV can accommodate customer requirements of higher capacity applications such as commercial high-rise and mixed-use buildings, large manufacturing factories and healthcare facilities. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.